So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make text vertical in Adobe InDesign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your software in your computer, and after that you can choose from one of these options, or you can choose with this option right here, which is called create new. And by selecting this button you guys will get on this window. Right here you can choose from one of these templates that are given to you. You can choose from mobile, web, print and etc. And after selecting your favorite format, now just select this create button on the bottom section, and after that you guys will get on this page right here. So now right here, first of all you need to select this option right here, which is called line tool. Now just select it and now make a straight line like this, and now just select its stroke color, and now select this first option, which is called none, so that you can change their stroke color to none. After that guys, select this text tool, select it and right click on it, and now select this second option. After that you just need to type here whatever you like, and after typing that like this, now just select this by selecting Ctrl A. You can increase their size by, let's say, 35 pixels, and you can see. So now guys, as you can see, the text has been written vertically in Adobe InDesign, and you can even change it vertically by just first of all select this by Ctrl A, and now select this type option. Now select this type on a path, and now select this options. Now you can see the effect. Select this arrow and select this stair step. Now select OK button, and you can see that the text has been written in the stair steps like that, in the vertical format. So just like that guys, you can also make your text vertical in your Adobe InDesign. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.